The sales module provides you with tools to be a real branded content expert when talking to clients. The dashboard provides you with an overview of advertising objects and projects for all or a specific client. On the top, you find shortcuts to some handy tools. You can jump right into the already compressed object input, or you can create a form that enables the client to input the information. It is set up within seconds and guides the client through the form. You can also find the best format for a specific client, or get a complete recommendation and guide for the final implementation. If the AI suggestion doesn't fit, you can find it in your research module and edit specific parameters for the final solution. You can even get some advice on how the client should ideally split his budget within the marketing mix. Selling branded content with scientific backup has never been easier.